It's Neil from Clean and Exterior Clean Melbourne. We are going to be washing this house today. As you can see, it's very dirty. It's a traditional weatherboard house in the suburbs of Melbourne. We'll be soft washing this, so because as you can see in many places the wood is either rotten or the paint is flaking. As you can see, it's been a very long time since it's been washed. Okay, so you can see all the water damage under the eaves here. I mean, it's really in a bad place. But soft washing can produce amazing results. You can see how moldy that gutter is, and all the fascia. Will be removing all of that. So this is basically going to be the process that we're going to go through. I'll show you the results as we go, and it's going to be I'm really looking forward to this transformation. So we never high pressure homes, okay? We never high pressure wash homes. It's probably one of the worst things you can do. So the first process, as you know, is the application of the chemical, and you can see me applying that now. It's very quick, very easy, and we're going right from the gutter, right under the eaves here. See the dirt flying off there. Not only does this chemical actually clean mold and remove it and kill the spores, it also brightens the color in the paint. So it's a beautiful thing. So basically we're going to wash the whole house in this way, and then we're going to very much just soft wash it afterwards. Yeah, soft rinse and soft application. And that's exactly what you want on a property like this. They're preparing it for sale, so you really don't want to be creating any additional issues from a paint perspective. I'm Neil from Clean and Exterior Clean Melbourne. These are the finished results. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. Not only has the dirt been removed, but the paint, as you can see, is coming. It's got that sheen to it. It's actually brightened, and that's what the soft wash system that we use does. As you can see, all of the eaves here have come up beautiful, very nice compared to where we started. All of the moldy gutter, was terrible. It's terrible. That's come up really good, and yeah, I mean, I'm wrapped with the results. I love jobs like this because of the transformation that can occur when you look after a property and you don't use high pressure, and you can use the right equipment, the right tools to get the result, so that the customer at the end of the day can sell it for the best price that they want. In this case, they are selling it, so that's why I say that. You can see right through here, all of these eaves, they were moldy and black and stained, and so we're finishing off here with an internal and external window clean as well, which is really going to lift it to that next level, and it's ready for sale. So I think it's going on to auction this Saturday. There we go, folks. So if you need a house that needs attention, that's delicate in the way that this one is, or even if it's not delicate, we can help you with that. Give us a call, be happy to give you a quote. Hope you enjoyed watching, and thanks for watching.